Yeah, what's up, motherfucker? You fucking with a Rough Rider, huh? Got your ass now.
Oh, shit, what, nigga?
Are you afraid to die? Or do you want to live forever? Are you afraid to die?
Just cause I can't stand you, put my shit on tapes, like you bustin' grapes.